The fiery furnace deliverance. Beloved, you may feel like you are walking through the fire, but remember Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. The fire did not consume them because the Son of God was with them. Likewise, the flames around you will not destroy you. Instead, they will refine you, purify your faith, and make you a testimony of God's power. The very thing meant to hurt you will help you. Hold on, for the fire is temporary, but the glory revealed after will be eternal. If this word strengthens you, like this video, comment, "I am not alone in the fire," and subscribe now. Victory is yours.